These are the best spark plugs for most 1.8T engines, including the band that we're working on today. These are NGKs, they're Japanese. They are the BKR7E. Best ones to use on these cars. These cost me £15 delivered with postage from CFS Bristol. I want to thank them for sending these over, and I'm going to put video description details on how to contact them and get yourself some of these sent over. Service intervals on these are probably about 10 to 12,000 miles, so they're a bit less than the dealer spark plugs, but they actually give you a little bit of a better ignition. Let's just take a quick look, in fact, at one of these at the box. So on these, if you haven't actually deleted the N49 system, you'll have something else, a vacuum canister bolted up here, which you have to remove. You see the bolts where it used to be round here. It's not that difficult, I've got a video on that. But while you're doing the plugs, you might as well just delete that as well. So just using a flathead screwdriver, just slightly pry these up a little. Do it from the clip, this is broken.
Yeah,
I think that one is.
Only a little flathead, but that's fine. How long have you been changing?
I have had the car for 2 years and 30,000 miles, and I've never changed the plugs. So I do expect them to be in a pretty solid state. So we've got our spark plug socket on the extension on our ratchet. Just getting these out now. See how bad they look.
Look at that. Dried, finished.
There we go. Raw. Oh my days. That is messed up. Put that up next to a new one. Okay. Not looking so great. Yeah. Let's get the others. Okay, so there we're going back in with our spark plug socket and extension on the ratchet. Yeah, heave that tension off. And then you get towards the end, take off your ratchet and just use the extension by hand and get the last bit of slack off it. Then it should just lift out. Engine room.
Yeah. Just a little bit around the front.
This one as well is completely gone. Look at it. do. Going back on. Just push in and then clip on back to the power supply. One last one. Check, make sure everything's in, everything's plugged, everything's secure. And that's your job done right there. That's how you change the spark plugs on a 1.8T. This is a Seat Leon Cupra R, but these engines are also in the STs, the TTs, VWs, Skodas and Audis, 1.T most generally. So these plugs can be used on a lot of the variants of this engine. Just double check that it's okay for yours before you go and order them. I'll put a link in the video description on where you can get these, £15 delivered to your door. That's how you do it. If you found this useful, make sure you comment, make sure you rate, and make sure you subscribe. It's Redline Revs.